When I say bananas, you say peppers. And today I have a very exciting PR package to open up with you guys. Have y'all seen this thing flying around on the internet? I just got it in the mail today. It is from Zuru, aka the makers of 5 Surprise mini brands. This is not sponsored, but this is a PR package, and I love PR packages that look like this, honestly, because I keep these things that look like this and I always reuse the boxes and stuff. Like, I've gotten some pretty cute PR packages over the years. Like, I got a mini fridge once and a little pink fire hydrant, and I still have all of those because I just use them as storage. I don't know why I was just like telling you guys for 5 minutes how excited I am for a gold brick shaped paper box, cardboard box. What are you made out of? It says the rush is on. Can you see that? It's like embossed, debossed. What is it when it's raised? That's embossed, right? Debossed is when it's like startling. You guys have to let me know if y'all have seen these yet. I literally had not heard of these until people started tagging me on TikTok that Mini Brands now is releasing these Gold Rush balls, and I don't even know how many is in here. Oh, 3! Today's video is gonna be very short. I think that we're gonna see a lot of the same mini brands from series 2 and 2.5, except for this time, every single mini brand that you unbox is gold, with the exception of, I think like the super rare chase ones are rose gold. It says, which limited edition Gold Rush minis have you found? Well, none so far. There's also this little like flyer in here. It's like gold on gold. Looks like I'm holding up nothing. So it says, the rush is on. We've goldified our most treasured mini brands and they're here for a limited time only. Can you collect them all? Unwrap the capsule and peel back the seals to reveal the start of your shiny new collection. If you're lucky enough to find one, we've even dipped our super rare minis in rose gold. Show off your new treasures on social media with hashtag mini brands, hashtag gold rush. All right. I feel like the reason a lot of you guys have been tagging me in these is because there is a gold cheese, I haven't found the regular cheese wedge yet, so watch me just get gold cheese today. And I'm not even wearing any of my magical cheese stuff. No yellow, no cheese, no rat costume. Ooh, there we go. Okay. Now I will find the cheese. I will find the golden cheese, maybe. This is what the ball looks like. Look at that. So it just says Mini Brands Gold Rush. Can you find the ultra rare rose gold minis? Well, we'll see about that. 35 plus minis to collect. So if I had to guess, I wouldn't think that these would be like around for very long. Sippy sippy. Kermit, do you want some? Ah! Okay. Ooh, the cheese stayed on. If we didn't get any repeats, that would like potentially be nearly like half of the collection. So the balls are always gold. How do I not remember this? I've literally opened like 200 mini brands and I'm like, oh wow, yeah, the balls are gold. I'm excited to get the list too and see, what is this? Oh, okay, so I will assemble this in just a minute. This is actually my favorite cart from series 2, but it's like an all gold. So stay tuned. I'll put that together like after I open the rest of the sections. One is this. Ew, we got golden Lowry's seasoning salt. This is definitely one of my favorite mini brands from series 2 because it is just like one of my favorite seasonings. So it's fun to like see it in a gold edition. All right, what is this? Okay, this is kind of funny because we have a type of cheese, but once again, it is not the cheese wedge. I think this says Nutty and Mild. This is the Leerdammer, which is a brand that a lot of people seem familiar with, but alas, I am not. Let's see what my soul craves today. What is the cheese wedge? Number 11, you guys. Number 11. I swear if I get this one, I'm gonna make it into like a necklace straight away. So we have a lot of Baby Bell options. Once again, the most like rare gold option is a rose gold Baby Bell. These are the other, oh my gosh, rose gold Country Time Lemonade would be super fun. So it looks like we have some spices and that shampoo brand that I've never tried. There are the other gold ones, gold barbecue sauce. I don't know if any of these are paper, honestly. I think maybe all of these are plastic with labels. And then we have, it looks like 3 different, or is that 2? 2 different basket options. Next section, please be cheese. Oh, okay, so there are some paper ones. We have honey bunches of golden oats. Ta-da! I feel like I should show you guys what the normal ones look like, maybe. And then we have artesian nut thins. This is another gold box version. Now that I know there's golden cheese, no, that was a whole ball already. Okay, I'm gonna pause and I'm gonna assemble our golden cart. Oh my gosh, okay. I love this little cart. It is so cute. So first of all, I love the stickers. They have a special little Gold Rush sticker and I did not put that on centered, but luckily there's one extra, so I might peel this one off and try again. But I absolutely love the plastic color. I don't know 100% if it's like coming through, but it's like a gold, like kind of transparent material. It's pretty cool. Can you guys see that it's like kind of see-through? Or maybe you just have to be here in real life. All right, you guys, we only have 2 more chances to get the cheese. All right, bowl number 2, cheese, cheese, cheese. All right, we got, oh, this one's fun. Wait, I didn't even see this one on the list. So this has been absolutely one of my favorites as well. It is the package of Kool-Aid jammers, but this time, they're gold. I recently discovered as I was filming a TikTok that Tropical Punch is not blue. Did that ever used to be blue? I was trying to make like a blue bathwater thing and I squirted out the Kool-Aid and it was Tropical Punch and it was red and I was completely shocked. So we have the root beer, what do I call this? Root beer drops, root beer flavoring. I think it's called root beer concentrate. 3 more chances in this bowl. For the cheese. Oh, it's a gold one. We have gold Country Time Lemonade. I thought for a second it was gonna be like the rose gold one, but it is just regular gold, but still pretty fun. I do say so myself. Cheese. No, it is gold ground cinnamon. That is pretty magical. It is, oh, it is gold shake and bake. And I helped. There is that one. And you guys have to let me know, what do y'all think about the gold ones? Like the solid gold collection. Do you think it's more fun when the gold is like super incredibly rare and you don't hardly ever see it? Or do you like this collection better where like you can get more of the gold options? Because I know a lot of people display these like we do, where you just like keep them in your pantry around the full size products and stuff. And so I feel like it could be really cute potentially to have like solid gold ones on display. So I would love to know your opinion about that. I mean, personally, I'm happy whenever they just make like more mini brands because I love these so much. Last one, I was honestly really hoping for cheese. It's like funny at this point. Okay, we have Almond Breeze Gold, Almond Breeze Gold Milk, Gold almond milk. Why can I not form a sentence today? You know what I want to try is like oat milk coffee. I've seen everybody talking about that and I have never had that before. Oh, okay. So this one is actually really exciting and I'm so happy to get this one because I'm definitely gonna keep it by like the Keurig machine. And it's a type of coffee. Now I have to admit, I've never had Gevalia before. I was about to say I've never heard of Gevalia. It does like sound kind of familiar, but I'm wondering if this is like a new one entirely. Like, I don't know why they have like these two separated out like this. Like, doesn't that seem like it's something kind of different? I don't remember ever seeing any mini brand that looked like this before. The only thing that's kind of similar is they had like that dog or cat food brand that I think is called like Nude that I've never heard of before. And it came in packaging like somewhat similar to this, but this is so cute. So this is ground coffee in a house blend flavor. But that is so cute. Okay, only 3 more slots for golden cheese. We have golden organic paprika. Really cute. Love all the little spice ones because, you know, we just like put it in our spice rack. We put like the little mini brands in there too. What is this? Ah, it is a type of cheese, but it is not cheese wedge. We have golden Velveeta. And wasn't there like a brand? Maybe it was Velveeta. I feel like this is like a real, oh yeah, see, it says liquid gold right on the back. I don't really feel like they have commercials like that anymore, but I feel like I remember that like in the 90s where they're like, it's liquid gold. And they would like show them like stirring up all the tasty cheese. Only one more chance, you guys. And oh my gosh, it is not. It is the root beer flavoring once again. This was our only repeat today. And you guys, I cannot believe that like still no cheese wedge. Also, I don't have any rose gold ones to show you guys today. I would have liked to see like one, but I bet those are like super hard to get. So there's only 6 ultra rare rose gold out of the 35. So probably those are pretty tough to get. I also saw like some sneak peek. I don't even know how they got them, honestly, but I saw somebody on TikTok opening series 3 mini brands, even though I don't think that those are supposed to be coming out until like August or September or something. So it does look like we will have like a fresh batch of mini brands to collect. So that is great news. But you guys, I'm hoping before we move on to series 3 that I can find a cheese wedge somewhere. Anywhere can I just have some cheese? Yeah, you guys, cheese quest continues. Regular cheese, golden cheese. Why are you so hard to find? Anyway, you guys, thank y'all so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Pepper Squad today. And until I see you guys again, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much, and I will be back again very soon.